Good afternoon. So I moved hostels from Hostel Forestal, which is just a couple blocks away, to this new hostel, which is Hostel Providencia, which I already like a million times better. Better atmosphere, better people hanging around here, more social, and even more important, they didn't cut my lock. So there's another girl here that left early and came here too because of the whole lock situation. Just not a good thing to do if you don't feel safe when your stuff gets broken into. Anyway, here we are. I'll give you a little tour. It's pretty easy. A couple lockers for everybody. A little organized. Pick your towel rack. Don't steal nobody else's towel. Dope. Nice little outdoor view here. Just 3 bunk beds. Yeah. So this is home for the next 7 nights, and gonna enjoy it, relax, maybe catch some Spanish lessons here. That's the next plan, if I can find somewhere. And then New Year's here, Santiago, Chile. So, gonna have fun. Here we go. Good morning. Some days you wake up and you're just in a funk and you don't know why. So when that happens to me, I just decided it's time to pick up, go do something different, find somewhere new. So I figure a day trip out of Santiago is perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop the bus, take about an hour and a half, maybe a little more, and I'm going to Valparaiso. Some people say it's similar to San Francisco, which I do love, which is cool. And anytime I feel kind of funky or any kind of way, I usually go to the beach. So it sounds like it's time to go to the beach. I'm gonna walk to the bus station, the terminal. It's about an hour walk, 3 miles, which we'll get there, see what the bus situation looks like, probably spend a few hours in Valparaiso. If I like it, I'm gonna go back. This is just a little test run and a little adventure. So it's a beautiful morning here in Santiago. Gotta grab some water, maybe another coffee, and then we're out. At the bus terminal, catching the bus to Valparaiso for the day. We'll see what happens. Here I am in Valparaiso, Chile. So I watched this, or I've seen Valparaiso when I watched in college. I had to watch Motorcycle Diaries. And when I watched it, I kind of fell in love with South America. And there was a piece in Valparaiso. So ever since I've seen that in the movie, I've always wanted to be here. So knocking off another bucket list item, but this place is pretty cool. So I don't know if I'm just gonna do a day trip or if I'm gonna come back. We're gonna find out. Look at how beautiful. I hate walking around with the camera because I'm always worried about someone getting robbed or coming to rob me. We had a guy at our hostel in Santiago get robbed by machete at night, so you just never know. So I'm trying to be selective, so we'll see.
Really recognizable because of this indigenous shading, colorful face. Between the 18 and 1900s, there was like a close community.
Gracias.
It's a little shake just at the beginning.
Mira. Qué bello. Sí, el cerro. Y ese ascensor viene bajando. Aquí vamos subiendo. El ascensor ahí de qué bello. Is a cemetery on a hill? Hay una puertita y vamos a hacer.
Actually, there's three of them.
Oh, three of them. Okay.
But right now they are full and it's more like historical.
Yeah.
They need to make it for all the people that died. For New Year's Eve, like New Year's Eve, they're going to launch fireworks from the sea, so you can see it from here. And most people got together. Y preguntar how much.
¿Cuánto cuesta? La cuenta, por favor.
Yeah, well, this street take care of doing it again because right now it makes part of the identity of this neighbor and in this one, for example, we got a little stair that goes on the left.
Oh wow, this is so cool.
Also, this one that is Camila de Toro, she painted most of the Galvez Alley. Go!
You should really try that. That's bueno.
1 second. On the roof, that the copper when oxidates takes this color, this green color, and also these, well, these patterns in white and red, like representing his culture also. Well, this palace was built, opens until 2 p.m. From over here, also we can see another color over there. Also, there's this monument of Arturo Prat.
Oh,
The guy that. This is where all begins. You know, the port was originally.
finish at the port.
And here, that right now has some little ships that will give you like a ride, for example, if you want to, like 5,000 pesos. And
so I woke up today in a funk. Just wasn't feeling good, wasn't really happy. And I decided that I had to do something. So I got up, got a ticket, and took the hour-and-a-half bus ride to Valparaiso. It's been an absolutely amazing day. One of the best cities I've ever been to. One of the most original cities, artistic cities. The people are friendly. It's just, I think if you come to Chile, you have to come here. It's, I think I'm coming back actually. So there may be more to this story, but it was an amazing experience. I ran into people I hadn't seen since the boat in San Blas in Cartagena, which was amazing. I love those humans. Just really good people, so it was fun to connect again. And it was like everything I needed today. So sometimes when life's giving you a shitty morning that you can't figure out why, you just gotta make a change and do something about it. And man, what an amazing day. I'm gonna catch the bus back to Santiago. Debating whether I should come here for New Year's, but for now I'm just gonna head back, regroup, and have some fun. What happened in the morning is not happening now, so we are in a good space, and I am ready for the night, for the future. Just be here right now. It's beautiful, me and the pigeons. They love pigeons. Oh, I'm back at the hostel after a long day. It took about an hour to walk back from the bus station. So all in all, I walked 11 miles today. And yeah, smelled pretty bad. So came back, took a shower, had a couple of beers, and they had some Budweiser, which is not good here. So yeah, that was an eventful day. Now I am exhausted. Time for bed. Whew.